Welcome to this look at an online logo builder called coollogo. This free resource helps you build a great looking brand that can be used on your splash screen and home screen. Just follow these steps. Open a new browser tab and enter coollogo.com in the address line. Notice it's coollogo as one word. You'll see a screen that's like this. There are dozens of logo themes on the page. Before we start, consider this. You can ignore the logo's background. You'll be making it transparent later. You can also change the text fill color and the texture. One more thing. Try to keep the logo to a single line. Scroll down and find a logo style that'd be good for your app's theme, and then click on it. To demonstrate, we'll use Zilch to create a logo for an app about lighthouses. The editor is now open. First, change the text by entering your app's name in the text box. Next, change the dimensions to match the resolution set of the MadLearn platform. The dimensions in the platform's design section for logos are 1280 by 270. Put these numbers in the dimensions field at the left side of the page. Now, fill in the background with the logo as much as possible. Do this by changing the size until the logo fills in the space behind it, without going up to the edges of that background. This may require several tries. Just repeat the process until the logo is the size you want. If you want to change the color of the text, just click on the Fill button and use the color editor. Once you're happy with the basic text, move on to the shadow phase. Select the drop or glow option to add depth to your logo by adding a shadow and giving your logo a three-dimensional look. Experiment with the options here. You can adjust the color, size, direction, and amount of blur your shadow has. You can skip the effects phase and go right into background. Here's where you're going to make your logo float on your app's background images by making this background transparent. Once here, click the down arrow after the background fill button. Clicking on the down arrow after the word color will show different options. Select the first one, transparent. Then click OK. Your logo is now ready to be imported to the MadLearn platform. Just click the Done button in the upper left corner. Then, click the Download button to download your logo to your computer or cloud folder. From there, you can upload it to the Images section of the design phase. That's it!